Learn Gujarati family words. Mother to family in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the noisy.
Kutumb.
Welcome in. Today you are learning Gujarati family words, and you are doing it with a family so dramatic they could win an award for loud breakfast conversations. Picture this. You walk into a cheerful house in Gujarat. At the table sits the whole
Kutumb.
the family. The
Mata.
mother is kind and calm. The
Pita.
father is looking for his glasses while they are already on his head. The
bhāī.
brother says he is the funniest person in the house. The
bhāīn.
sister disagrees immediately because she knows she is funnier. A small
Barak.
the child is watching all this like it is premium entertainment. And together, the mother and father are the
Mata Pita.
parents. One more bonus word for today. Kind is
Dayalu.
very useful, especially when your family borrows your charger and returns it 3 business days later. Meet the family cast. Let's meet everyone one by one. Repeat after me if you want, and yes, dramatic voice acting is encouraged. Mother is.
Mata.
Say it slowly.
Mata.
Example. My mother is kind.
Mari mata dayalu છે.
Father is.
Pita.
Example. My father is kind.
Mara pita dayalu છે.
Parents is.
Mata Pita.
It combines mother and father. Example. My parents are here.
Mara mata pita અહીં છે.
Brother is.
Bhāī.
Example. My brother is here.
મારો ભાઈ અહીં છે.
Sister is.
બહેન.
Example. My sister is here.
મારી બહેન અહીં છે.
Child is.
બાળક.
Example. The child is laughing.
બાળક હસી રહ્યું છે.
Family is.
કુટુંબ.
Example. Family is important.
કુટુંબ મહત્વનું છે.
Kind is.
દયાળુ.
Example. She is kind.
તે દયાળુ છે.
A breakfast disaster. Now let's turn these words into a mini story. Your job is simple. Listen, enjoy, and let the vocabulary stick. Morning begins in the
કુટુંબ.
The
માતા.
says, who took the last snack? The
પિતા.
points at the
ભાઈ.
The
ભાઈ.
points at the
બહેન.
The
બહેન.
points at the tiny
બાળક.
who cannot even reach the shelf. Classic family politics. Then the
માતા પિતા.
parents discover the truth. The
પિતા.
ate the snack and forgot. Everyone laughs. The
માતા.
is still
દયાળુ.
kind and gives him more breakfast anyway. That, dear listener, is real family love. Quick memory tricks. Let's make the words easier to remember. Tiny silly images can help your brain a lot. Think of
માતા.
as close to mama, warm, caring, and probably telling you to eat more. Think of
પિતા.
like pita bread. Imagine your father holding pita bread like a trophy. 4.
માતા પિતા.
Just combine
માતા.
and
પિતા.
2 words, 2 parents, 1 useful phrase. 4.
ભાઈ.
Imagine saying bye
ભાઈ.
to your brother dramatically from a train window. 4.
બહેન.
Imagine your sister wearing a superhero cape and a chicken hat. Ridiculous? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. 4.
બાળક.
Picture a child bouncing like a little ball of energy. 4.
કુટુંબ.
Imagine the whole family trying to fit on one sofa and failing heroically. 4.
દયાળુ.
Picture someone handing cookies even to the villain. That is truly kind. Mini dialogue practice. Time to hear the words in action. Listen to this little scene and notice how often the family words return. A. Who is she? B. She is my.
માતા.
A. Who is he? B. He is my.
પિતા.
A. Who are they? B. They are my.
માતા પિતા.
A. Do you have a brother? B. Yes, I have a.
ભાઈ.
A. Do you have a sister? B. Yes, I have a.
બહેન.
A. Who is the small one? B. The small one is the.
બાળક.
A. Is your family big? B. Yes, my.
કુટુંબ.
Is big. A. Is your mother kind? B. Yes, my
Mata.
is very.
Dayalu.
Your turn quiz. Okay, superstar, your brain is warmed up. See if you can answer before I reveal it. What is mother in Gujarati?
Mata.
What is father in Gujarati?
Pita.
What is parents in Gujarati?
Mata pita.
What is brother in Gujarati?
Bhāī.
What is sister in Gujarati?
Bhain.
What is child in Gujarati?
Barak.
What is family in Gujarati?
Kutumb.
What is kind in Gujarati?
Dayalu.
Challenge round. Let's level up a little. I'll give you English ideas and you imagine the Gujarati words. My mother is kind. Keywords.
Mata. Dayalu.
My father is here. Keyword.
Pita.
My parents are waiting. Keyword.
Mata pita.
My brother is funny. Keyword.
Bhāī.
My sister is reading. Keyword.
Bhain.
The child is playing. Keyword.
Barak.
My family eats together. Keyword.
Kutumb.
Goodbye from the.
Kutumb.
You did it. You just learned a whole set of Gujarati family words without falling asleep, which is already a victory. Today you practiced.
Mata.
For mother.
Pita.
For father.
Mata pita.
For parents.
Bhāī.
For brother.
Bhain.
For sister.
Barak.
For child.
Kutumb.
For family, and
Dayalu.
for kind. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back soon for more English too.
Gujarati.
Learning. Your future multilingual brain says thank you too.